In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create a very simple star in Blender. So Shift plus A. Let me add fast screen. Okay, I'm sorry. Shift plus A. We need the plane. I'm gonna move this plane here, and now we go in edit mode. Press Ctrl R to add some loop cuts. Follow like me. This one in the middle. Actually, sorry, let's add first the one here, then the second one here, and then let's add the other one. Okay. And now press on 1 on your keyboard, select, hold Shift, and select. And now press S, Shift, Z. And you can do this. Like this. So now press 7, select this, M at center, not good. At center, select here at center, select here at center, select here at center. Now I would like this to be this line straight, and I'm gonna do this, like this vertex. S, Shift and Z. And I'm just gonna move this like this. Now press A to select everything and A to extrude on the Z axis. And now press 2, select this, and this, and press S, Shift and Z. Now we have this star. Very nice star. And I'm gonna use this star to now I'm gonna in edit mode, in object mode, I'm gonna add this cube. Okay. And now use Control and minus, or we can also use like this. The last one selected should be the cube. Now S to scale, just this, and we have this interesting shape. So yeah, I really hope this tutorial helped you. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Take care.